Who is that? Ooh, this place is decked out with security cameras. Here we have an Otis. Series 1 that was modded by ThyssenKrupp earlier this year.
Insert original parts.
Oh, they redid the cabs. Okay, now.
That's nice.
That is their original motor.
Nice. Low pitched.
Original interlock. If you guys noticed, the last time I did my before and after video, these cabs were still original. Looks like they've redone them. They did a good job. It's nice, and it could very well put up against the being a parking structure elevator would get. It's kind of cheap though. Yeah, pretty full mod by ThyssenKrupp. You want to go get?
Sure. Is that an invitation line? Yeah, I think so. Going up?
Yeah, thank you.
Magic number?
5.
Awesome. That's a great number.
Is this for fun?
Yeah, we're actually elevator enthusiasts. Yeah.
Laugh it up.
That sounds like fun.
Yep. You guys have a good day.
You too.
Interlock.
Now. Nice lights.
So I guess they punish you if you have an electric vehicle by making you go all the way to the top floor.
Stuffing.
What is that?
Alright.
This garage needs drainage. Has a water leak bad.
Oh, that was bad. Here is your modernizer, if you couldn't tell already. New ThyssenKrupp button for the phone.
San Leandro?
Just alarm something.
Motoro Electric.
Alright. Actually, if you send it up, you can see the telescoping piston.